students, today our topic is fractions, in which we will start up with the topic, first topic, what is a fraction? Fraction is part of a whole that you have already studied in your previous classes. For example, if we have an apple and we cut it into two pieces, so what will be the fraction for it? So total number of pieces are 2 and we have if I give one piece to you, so 1 upon 2. For another example, it's like we have a rectangle and we have converted into 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out of this we have colored the 3 parts. So what will be the fraction for this? So total number of parts are 4 and colored parts are 3. Fine. So as we have said, this fraction is part by whole. So if in this, how many parts are colored? 3, and how many are total? 4. So this is your fraction. For a recap, this line is called as bar. The line, the digit which is above this bar is numerator and below denominator. So this digit which is above this bar or line is called numerator, and another digit which is at the on the lower side is called denominator. Fine. So this is fraction. Fraction is part of whole. So next thing that comes under this is, so what is equivalent fraction? Equivalent is which is equal, which seems to be equal. So fraction that represents the same amount are equivalent fraction. For example, what is the fraction for this? 1 is colored and total are 3. Fine. And what is the fraction for this? 2 are colored and total are 6. So if I multiply 1 by 3 by 2 by 2, I am multiplying and dividing it with the same number, so that the fraction will remain the same. So it will be 2 upon 6. That means 1 by 3 and 2 by 6 are equivalent. Basically both are representing the same fraction. So they can be obtained, that means equivalent fractions can be obtained by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number, like we have done just now. I have multiplied and divided numerator and denominator by same number, and which is 2. So 2 by 6. For example, 1 by 3, if I multiply it with 2 by 2, I will get 2 by 6. If I multiplied it with 3 by 3, I get 3 by 9. If I multiplied it 4 by 4, I get 4 by 12. So I can say this 1 by 3, 2 by 6, 3 by 9 and 4 by 12 are equivalent fraction, as they represent the same amount. Next thing which is very important in this is fraction in simplest form. Simplest form, a fraction is said to be in simplest form if the numerator and denominator have no common factors other than 1. That means numerator and denominator, for numerator and denominator there should be only one common factor, which is 1. So factor which is exact divisor. So 2 and 3, they never come in any table except 1, like 5 by 7. 5 and 7, both the numbers don't have any common factor except 1. 9 by 11, 15 by 17, इनको हम further और simplify नहीं कर सकते by dividing any number, because both of them don't come in the table of any other digit or number. Fine. So simplest मतलब सबसे छोटे. So how we are going to do this, converting any fraction into the simplest form, how we do it? We divide and multiply, like 6 and 8. Both of them are coming in the table of 2. Fine. So if I divide this 6 by 2, what will I get? 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Fine. So now 3 and 4 does not come in any table. So simplest form will be 3 by 4. Another example 27 and 30. They both come in the table of 3. So एक तो हम ऐसे कट कर सकते हैं, दूसरा हम क्या कर सकते हैं 27 upon 30 they can be divided by 3. So on numerator and denominator we are dividing by 3. So 3 9 ja 27, 3 10 ja 30. So 9 by 10 we have got which are having a common factor which is 1. So they can never be further simplified. So 4 and 20. 20 comes 4 के टेबल में 20 आता है. Fine. So we will cut them by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1 and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the answer will be 1 upon 5. So this is the way of converting any fraction into the simplest form. Next thing is types of fractions. This is very important, based on which you will get the questions in your exercises also. So listen to it very carefully and please subscribe the channel if you haven't, and also press the bell icon for the further notifications. So types of fractions. First one is like fraction. Like का मतलब होता है same. So like fractions, fractions with same denominator. Denominator जिनका same होता है, like 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10 and 6 by 10. All are having the denominator 10. So they are like fractions. 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7, they are also like fractions. Unlike fraction which have the different denominator, like 2 by 3, all are having different denominator. 5 by 7, 6 by 8, सबका denominator different है, तो ये unlike fractions हैं. Fine. So next is proper fraction. Proper and improper, दोनों के दोनों fractions बहुत important है. Proper fraction in which numerator is small. Fraction in which numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator छोटा होता है in proper fraction, like 2 by 7, 3 by 8 and 9 by 11. You can see the numerator is small in this. Next is improper fraction, the fraction in which numerator is big. न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है इनमें, like 9 by 7. So न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है और डिनोमिनेटर छोटा है. 3 by 2 न्यूमरेटर is big, denominator is small. So like fraction, first one we have read unlike fraction, like fraction in which all the denominators are same. Unlike fraction, denominators are different. Then we have studied proper fraction in which numerator is small, and improper fraction in which numerator is big. Next thing that comes in this is mixed fraction. So fraction that consists of whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed है मतलब दो तीन चीज़ें इसमें मिली हुई हैं. अब इसमें क्या क्या मिली हुई हैं? एक तो whole number यानी कि काउंटिंग नंबर. होल नंबर का मतलब होता है काउंटिंग नंबर. और दूसरा प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन अभी हमने पढ़ी है जिसमें न्यूमरेटर छोटा होता है. तो लाइक 2 1 by 3, 5 9 by 11. ये इस टाइप की जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं जिसमें एक होल नंबर है और एक हमारे पास प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, वो होती है हमारी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. नाउ देर आर वेज ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग. वी कैन कन्वर्ट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन and vice versa. So first we will see, like for example 2 1 by 3. इसमें हम कैसे करेंगे? यहाँ पर होती है मल्टीप्लिकेशन और यहाँ होती है एडिशन. ऊपर एडिशन फिर नीचे मल्टीप्लिकेशन. दैट मीन्स 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3 प्लस 1. और यहाँ पे नीचे क्या था हमारे पास? डिनोमिनेटर में 3. सो यहाँ भी हमारे पास डिनोमिनेटर में 3 ही होगा. सो 3 2 जा 6 प्लस 1 7 by 3. अब यहाँ पे क्या था? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. हेयर इट इज एडिशन. सो 11 multiplied by 5 plus 9 by, and denominator remain the same. So it will be 55 plus 9 upon 11. So it is 64 upon 11. So this is an improper fraction. You can check, like numerator is bigger than denominator. Here it is plus, here here it is multiplication, here it is plus. So 7 multiplied by 3 plus 5 upon 7. 7 3 ja 21 plus 5 upon 7. So it is 26 upon 7. This is converting the mixed fraction into improper fraction. The next thing is reverse conversion. Reverse के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Divide करते हैं. So 8 will be divided by 7. So 7 1 जा 7. This is 1. Fine. अब इसमें क्या करते हैं? Quotient यहाँ आता है, ठीक है. So quotient हमारा क्या है यहाँ पर? 1. Then remainder upon divisor. So this is 1 upon 7. यहाँ 7 नीचे था ना, so यहाँ भी 7 नीचे ही रहेगा. Let's take another example. 11 2. So 2 5 ja 10 1. So it is quotient, ठीक है. Then remainder upon divisor. So this is, we are going clockwise. सबसे पहले 5, then 1, and then the example of like fractions first. So their denominators are same, just add their numerator. 2 plus 3 is 5, and don't add the denominators, just write down whatever is the denominator, like 5 by 7. So 6 plus 1 is 7 and denominator is 9. Don't add the denominators, there's no need of adding the denominator, just numerators are going to be added. Now unlike fractions के additions, the procedure is same. Take the LCM. LCM is 28, 7 4 are 28. Make a line. So 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. Make them 7 by 7. So it is 21 upon 28 and 4 upon 4. So it is 20 upon 28. They are like fractions. Like fractions को अभी हमने add किया है. So 21 plus 20, and we don't never add the denominators, it remains the same. So it will be 41 upon 28. So this is your addition, and this, for this we will have to convert into like fraction, improper fraction first. 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 5, 23 upon 6, plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4 by 3, plus 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 3, 15 upon 6. So LCM will be 6. So 23 by 6, 4 by 3 and 15 by 6. इन दोनों का already 6 है. So we'll have to just convert it. 4 2 ja 8 by 6. Now easily we can add them. 23 plus 8 plus 15 by 6. So add them. 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 3 16, 1. So it is 46 upon 6. You can divide numerator and denominator by 2. So it is 23 upon 3. Now you can easily convert it into mixed fraction. 23 3, 3 7 ja 21 2. So it is, the answer will be 7 quotient, then remainder upon divisor. So this will be the answer of this fraction. Now the subtraction. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4, minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 1 4, 4 upon 3. So LCM is 4 3 ja 12. Make a line. Fine. So 11 by 4 multiplied by, we have to make the denominator 12. So 3 by 3, it is 33 upon 12. 4 by 3, it is 4 by 4. So 16 upon 12. So here we will get 33 minus 16 upon 12. So subtract them. What we will get? Easily you can subtract this 16. So it is 7 1. So fine. So the answer will be, this is rough work. Answer will be 17 upon 12. Fine. So you can write it into the mixed fraction also. 17 here, 12 1 ja 12. So it is 5. So 1 5 by 12 will be the answer. Fine.